Online appointment requests allow therapy seekers to quickly and easily request appointments with you, using only their web browser. This feature is fully customizable and allows you to maintain complete control of your schedule. All new appointment requests need to be approved or declined by you before they're locked into your calendar. Rest assured, therapy seekers will never see your full schedule online. They'll only see the services and times available for appointment requests that you choose to display publicly. To set up online appointment requests, navigate to Settings, Client Portal. Click to enable online appointment requests. First, you'll customize your settings. You can choose how the system offers appointments. For example, if you'd like appointments to only be offered at the top of the hour, regardless of service length, you can choose the On the Full Hour option. The According to Service Duration option will maximize the amount of available appointment times. You can also control how much time you have to review and approve appointment requests. The first dropdown will set how long to block between the current time and the requested appointment time. If you want to have a day or two padding to review the request, you can make this 2 days or more. Or if you are able to meet with clients more immediately, a shorter time period here will help you fill your calendar. The next dropdown will set how far into the future the calendar will show appointment slots available to book. If you set 4 weeks and the client clicks into the next month on the calendar, there won't be any available appointments. If you select a longer time period, like 3 months in advance, the client would be able to request an appointment 2 or 3 months from now. This is a personal preference based on how far in the future you want to plan your schedule. You can also specify if new clients can request appointments online. You'll want to enable this if you're offering availability to therapy seekers or plan to receive in-network referrals. Next, click Manage Availability. This title is only for your reference and won't display. Next, you can choose the time blocks in which clients can request appointments. For example, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. In this case, I have all the days of the work week selected, as indicated with blue. The Repeats Every setting will add this to upcoming weeks as well. Many times, clinicians want to offer more narrow time periods to have more control of their calendar. For example, let's say you only want to offer new client consult calls for a 2-hour block on Fridays. To set this up, we can set the time from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then I just need to deselect the days of the week until only Friday is blue. I keep Repeats Every on 1 week, so this adds my availability to each Friday on the upcoming weeks. If you have a physical office and a telehealth office and you want clients to be able to choose which to use, you'll create availability for each location. Or if you only want to offer telehealth appointments, deselect your physical office. Below, the last step is to select the services to show for this specific availability time frame. If you'd like to incorporate a new service, click Create New. If you'd like to offer a free initial phone consultation service, you can type 5 zeros into the service CPT code section. Next, you can change the public description, the rate, and the default duration of the service here. You can click the box to make a service available to new clients, or deselect it if not. If you click Require clients to call to request appointments, that will block clients from submitting a request online. Instead, they'll be able to see if you have availability, but will be directed to call you to request their appointment. Lastly, you can decide if you'd like buffer time before and/or after a service. Keep in mind that the buffer time adds to the overall duration of an appointment. Click Create. Once you've completed this step, click Save and Continue. On this page, you can use the links to preview your client portal or jump to the availability view of your SimplePractice calendar. Let's click Availability. The Availability view is an alternate view of your calendar. This is a visual representation of the windows when you are offering services for appointment requests. Nothing outside of these blocks will be available to be booked. Once you've confirmed your availability, click Done. You can always make edits to your availability blocks by clicking the Availability button on your calendar. Once you've completed steps 1 through 3, you can preview your availability on the Booking Widget page by clicking Preview Widget. I'll click through here so you can get a quick preview. When a client requests an appointment, you'll receive a notification in your SimplePractice account. You'll notice the requested appointment appears on your schedule in a white block with blue lines. That's because the appointment is in pending status, preventing you from being double booked. Once you accept the request from the Request Flyout window, the appointment will be confirmed on your calendar. When accepting new client requests, you'll have the option to share your intake forms with them within the same approval step. If you decline a new client request, you'll be able to customize the message, and by default, they'll be prompted to select a different appointment time. To learn more, please visit our Help Center.